Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we provide you with tips and tricks on how to save money and live frugally. Today, we're going to talk about one of the biggest expenses for most people, groceries. It's a necessary expense, but it doesn't have to break the bank. We're going to share some strategies for how to save money on groceries without sacrificing quality. So, if you're looking to save money and eat well, keep watching. Section 1. Plan your meals ahead of time. One of the best ways to save money on groceries is to plan your meals ahead of time. When you plan your meals, you can make a shopping list of only the items you need, which can save you money by preventing impulse buys. Plus, planning your meals can help you avoid wasting food, which can save you even more money in the long run. We suggest using a meal planning app or writing out a weekly menu and shopping list to help you stay organized. Section 2. Shop the sales. Another great way to save money on groceries is to shop the sales. Most grocery stores have weekly sales, and if you plan your meals around these sales, you can save a lot of money. Look for deals on meat, produce, and other items you regularly buy. You can also sign up for your grocery store's loyalty program, which often offers additional discounts on sale items. Section 3. Buy generic. When it comes to buying groceries, many people believe that name brand products are better quality than generic or store brand products. However, this isn't always the case. In fact, many generic products are just as good as name brand products and sometimes even better. Plus, generic products are often significantly cheaper than name brand products. So, when you're shopping, don't be afraid to try out some generic or store brand products. Section 4. Use coupons and cashback apps. Coupons and cashback apps can be a great way to save money on groceries. Before you go shopping, check your local newspaper or online for coupons for the items you need. You can also use cashback apps like Ibotta, Checkout 51, or Rakuten to earn cashback on your grocery purchases. Just make sure to only use coupons and cashback offers on items you would buy anyway. Section 5. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can be a great way to save money on groceries, especially for non-perishable items like rice, pasta, and canned goods. Just make sure to only buy in bulk items that you know you'll use, otherwise, you risk wasting money and food. You can also split bulk purchases with friends or family members to save even more money. Section 6. Grow your own produce. If you have a green thumb, growing your own produce can be a great way to save money on groceries. You don't need a large garden to grow your own produce, either. You can start with a few pots on a balcony or a small raised bed in your yard. Growing your own produce is not only cost-effective, but it can also be a fun and rewarding hobby. Section 7. Cook at home. Cooking at home is one of the best ways to save money on groceries. Eating out at restaurants can be expensive, and often the portion sizes are larger than what you would eat at home. Plus, When you cook at home, you have more control over the ingredients and can make healthier meals. Make cooking at home a fun activity by trying out new recipes and involving your family or friends. So there you have it, our tips for how to save money on groceries without sacrificing quality. By planning your meals ahead of time, shopping the sales, buying generic, using coupons and cashback apps, buying in bulk. Growing your own produce, and cooking at home, you can significantly reduce your grocery bill while still enjoying nutritious and delicious meals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to save money and live frugally. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We hope you found these tips useful and that they help you save money on your next grocery shopping trip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.